Finding a reputable roofing contractor is probably one of the most difficult parts of getting your roof replaced. Many roofing contractors hide their true intentions, and you won't know that you've gotten a bad one until you have a roof leak and they don't answer their phone. In this video, we're going to look at 4 red flags to look for when you're hiring a roofing contractor. So let's get into it. One, they lower their prices to undercut the competition. When a roofing company lowers their price, that means all they want is your business and your money. A reputable roofing contractor charges what they need to charge, not what they want. Lowering their prices means that they were probably overcharging to begin with. 2, a short workmanship warranty. If a roofing company tries to give you a workmanship warranty that's less than 10 years, then that means they're probably not confident in their workmanship that it's going to last for the lifetime of the roof. Number 3, they're a storm chaser. What do I mean by a storm chaser? That probably means that they're from out of town and they're just here because of the most recent storm that we've had, and they're probably going to be gone within 2 or 3 months, which leaves you holding the bag if there's a problem with your roof. If someone does come knocking on your door, check to see if they have a local address. All door canvassers are not from out of town. Most of them are. Number 4, they won't go over their estimate with you. This one is really a black flag and is unacceptable. If you're not completely 100% sure that you understand all of the line items on the estimate, then maybe you should either ask some questions or maybe look for someone else. The bottom line is, if they won't go over their estimate with you and make sure that you understand it, definitely move on to someone else. So now you have more protection and know what to look for when shopping for a roofing contractor. If you want to educate yourself even more, click on our link in the description below to find out what questions to ask a roofing contractor. I'm Bill Ragan. Remember, like and subscribe for more videos on this channel. See you on the next one.